Qualifying adjectives, personality. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn qualifying adjectives to describe personality. Listen and repeat each word. Friendly. Repeat. Friendly. Kind. Repeat. Kind. Funny. Repeat. Funny. Happy. Repeat. Happy. Serious. Repeat. Serious. Shy. Repeat. Shy. Calm. Repeat. Calm. Patient. Repeat. Patient. Intelligent. Repeat. Intelligent. Creative. Repeat. Creative. Responsible. Repeat. Responsible. Hardworking. Repeat. Hardworking. Lazy. Repeat. Lazy. Generous. Repeat. Generous. Polite. Repeat. Polite. Loving. Repeat. Loving. Great job! Now you can use these adjectives to describe people. See you next lesson!